change. The lover change, what you say, lover and
Beloved.
beloved. Beloved become lover and lover become beloved. Change.
U tom odnosu ljubavi imamo dvije strane. Prva je strana koja daje ljubav, a druga strana prima ljubav. I u ovom slučaju između Radharani i Krišne imamo slučaj da su oni zamijenili mjesta. Onaj koji prima ljubav je postao davatelj ljubavi, a onaj koji daje ljubav je postao primatelj ljubavi.
Because lover is so much sacrificing that beloved want to come to test that sacrifice. He has desire to feel that how much he was suffering to love him.
Zbog toga što onaj koji se žrtvuje za svog voljenog daje tolike žrtve i toliko se predaje da je voljeni poželio da osjeti to raspoloženje, taj osjećaj.
And Krishna is telling only when they will listen my exchange of love in this Kali Yuga, they will purify.
I Krishna je rekao, tek kada osobe čuju o mojim zabavama, odnosno ljubavnim razmjenama, tek tada će moći dostići sreću.
So Mahaprabhu appearance is a very special for the soul who is in suffering in this Kali Yuga. Deep Kali Yuga time.
Stoga ta pojava gospodina Chaitanya Mahaprabhu je vrlo važna za ljude koji jako pate u ovoj Kali Yugi. Drugi razlog za pojavu gospodina Chaitanje je da bi shvatio transcendentalne osjećaje samog sebe. The second reason for his appearance was to understand the transcendental mellow of himself.
Himself. Transcendental mellow of himself. Because the Supreme Personality of Godhead, he don't know himself how much he is sweet.
Zato što
how much he is beautiful, how much he is special. He wants to know himself how he is.
Drugi razlog je dakle što se pojavio gospodin Chaitanya jest da je želio doznati koliko je on sladak, koliko je divan, zato što ne može spoznati samog sebe, ne može shvatiti koliko ima, koliko posjeduje te odlike.
Transcendental, not material. Transcendental means again you have to come in your spiritual consciousness to receive this transcendental vibration.
To su transcendentalne odlike, nisu materijalne. To znači da bi došli u kontakt s tim transcendentalnim, moramo razviti našu duhovnu svjesnost.
Or you have to change your eyes, nose, ear in by the practice that it become transcendental.
I moramo promijeniti.
Your senses all become transcendental.
Moramo znači promijeniti naša osjetila kako je postala transcendentalna, naše uši, nos, oči.
It's different.
To nije jednostavno.
Because it's practice to live in material consciousness.
Zato što već imamo jako dugo praksu da živimo u materijalnoj svjesnosti.
So it's better to develop where is the transcendental consciousness, your soul, your spirit, what, so jiva consciousness.
Znači
you have to live in that.
Moramo težiti tome da razvijemo tu našu svjesnost o tome tko jesmo, našu svjesnost žive.
When you will live in that consciousness, automatic other senses will become transcendental because your practice change. Yeah, practice is change. Yes.
Kada budemo živjeli u tom transcendentalnoj svjesnosti, duhovnoj svjesnosti, tada će sva naša osjetila automatski biti transcendentalna.
Why we have to do this? Because we need to listen. Loving mellow of divine couple. We want to know that.
Zašto želimo razviti tu transcendentalnu svjesnost? Zato što želimo slušati o prekrasnim osjećajima i razmjena između božanskog para.
The beauty of appearance of Mahaprabhu is only two reasons.
Ljepota...
two reasons is coming here. No, chanting is not come still. That will be coming third. First and second reason is this.
Znači još imamo jedan razlog zbog čega se gospodin Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, o kojem hoće doći uskoro, o kojem ćemo nešto više reći uskoro.
Yeah. It's very, very nice and very simple. It's natural for all living soul to reach there. It's not any austerity to do that. Everybody knows about the love word, and transcendental love they don't know, but they can know, because that is also the way when you develop your spiritual consciousness.
Zar nije to jednostavna stvar? Svako od nas zna što je to ljubav, no međutim mi ne znamo što je to transcendentalna ljubav. Stoga moramo pokušati dostići taj naš cilj. Gospodin Krishna je pun slatkoće. Lord Krishna is all sweetness. Vezanost Šrimati Radharani za Krishnu je najuzvišenija. I kako bi iskusio tu vezanost i shvatio transcendentalnu slatkoću samog sebe, on je preuzeo mentalitet od Radharani. Radharani's attraction for Krishna is sublime, and to experience that attraction and understand the transcendental sweetness of himself, he accepted the mentality of Radharani.
Understand?
Da li shvaćamo?
This is not my words.
Ovo nisu moje riječi.
Understand? Krishna Prabhu.
Iskreno mi je odlutao. Na punjak za baterije jer se plašim da će mi prestati raditi.
Krishnananda's mind has wandered off because he is afraid that his battery is going to go out.
Why? No,
ali snimam Maharaj, snimam i to ću pomno preslušati, obećajem sve.
But Krishnananda promises that he will listen to a lecture very carefully because he is taking it. So
Yes, my prijatelj, moj friend.
This is his friend and he's recording the lecture, so he promises to listen to it.
You have to translate in your language. Yeah. Okay. Go.
Treći razlog zbog čega se gospodin Chaitanya pojavio je kako bi mogao uživati u blaženstvu koju kuša Radharani. The third reason that Lord Chaitanya appeared was to enjoy the bliss tasted by Radharani.
Mercy, bliss means mercy. Tasted by Radharani. So who is important, Krishna or Radhika?
Radhika.
Znači, Krishna se sam pojavio kako...
Brajvasi, you see what Brajvasi is telling.
Znači, Krishna se pojavio kako bi mogao okusiti to blaženstvo koje kuša Radharani.
Understand?
Gospodin je smatrao da nema dvojbe da je Radharani uživala u njegovom društvu i da je on uživao u društvu Radharani. No ta razmjena transcendentalnih odnosa između duhovnog para je bila donosila više zadovoljstva Šrimati Radharani, nego Šri Krishna. The Lord thought that undoubtedly Radharani enjoyed his company, and he enjoyed the company of Radharani. But the exchange of transcendental mellow between the spiritual couple was more pleasing to Srimati Radharani than to Sri Krishna.
Yeah. Who is writing?
Tko nam piše ovo?
Who is writing this book? And who is purport?
Šila Prabhupada.
Huh?
Šta Prabhupada?
Huh?
Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada.
Loudly. Say loudly.
Znači, ovu knjigu je napisao Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami, a komentare na Chaitanya Charitamritu su od Šrila Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada.
You see. People say Prabhupada don't say anything.
Ljudi kažu da Prabhupada ništa nije donio.
We don't understand what he give us.
Mi ne razumijemo što nam je on dao.
This is not his mistake.